Hello, we are the Undecided Code and we are about to discuss the Arduino activity. And here are the member of Undecided Code. Jovan Sarmiento, Giovanni Dayo, Roland Ansau, Joseph Kent Federizo.
Presented to Dr. Earl Marquez Elvina.
Here are the components of AP12 RGB light dimmer. Jumper cables 13 pieces and 3 pieces of resistor 220R and 3 pieces of 10K potentiometer and 1 piece of 5mm RGB LED.
So here's the source code of Arduino Project 12. This section at the beginning of the code set up all the variables and pins needed for the program. Each line declares an integer variable and assigns it a pin number. This function runs only once when the Arduino is powered on or reset. Its purpose is to perform initial configuration, such as setting up pin modes and initializing communication. The loop function runs continuously, repeating over and over again. It contains the main logic of the program, reading potentiometer values, converting them, and controlling the RGB LED. Mapping values. The function is used to scale the input values. It takes the analog grid range of 0 to 1200 and convert it to a new range of 0 to 255. This new range is necessary because the analog write function used to control brightness only accept values from 0 to 255. The serial print commands send the current values of val1, val2, and val3 to the serial monitor. This is useful for debugging and verifying that the potentiometer readings and mapping are working correctly.